I'm going to show you how we actually do the order process here at Colours. Everything starts out with an actual order form like this, which is filled out by your actual dealer. All this information will get transferred into customer service. Customer service will make about 5 different copies of this and send it through the actual various departments that need to basically see it. Once everything is checked off, everything is good to go, then the actual order starts to proceed. Follow me. This is how we do it. First department to basically get their copy of the order is going to be the upholstery department. This is the department that's basically going to make your backrest upholstery, your seat sling, and your calf strap. Since every chair is going to leave here with a different size, shape, and configuration, these girls are going to need to make the actual upholstery specific to the wheelchair the way it's actually ordered. Once they get done with what their sewing needs are asked for, they basically will get done, package it with the serial number, and send it over to the final assembly department. The next department to receive a copy of the order will be the tires and rims department, because every wheelchair is going to leave here with a different size rim, type of tire, and push rim. They will basically need to get the actual order together. As it is ordered, they need to put it together. Once they get done with what they've needed to do, they will send it over with the serial number over to final assembly. The third department to get it will be the actual parts department. Now this area right in here will get a copy of the actual order form, and every single part that gets bolted onto the wheelchair, everything from a caster to an armrest to your nuts and bolts, they will basically go through all their aisles, fill their actual containers per the order form, get it all together as needed, complete it by serial number, and send it over to the final assembly area. Now this department right here is probably the dirtiest department in the entire company right here. This is where they do all the manufacturing of the frames right here. These guys will get a copy of the actual order. They'll take their raw material, take it over to the cutter, the bender, and into the individual base and start welding. Because each chair basically is going to be a different style chair and a different size and configuration. These guys need to bend and weld exactly to the way the actual order is presented. They'll get done with what they got to do, and from there it'll go out to the finishers. It's the only thing that doesn't get done at Colours, which is the actual finishing. Because of the OSHA guidelines, they're a little tough, so it's much easier for us to subcontract that out and receive the finished product back within 3 to 4 days usually. Now this is the 5th and final stop. At this point, this is final assembly. Our guys here basically have already expected the frame to come in already painted, all the parts to be pulled, rims and tires put together, upholstery already set up, and they're ready to put this chair together. Their job is to basically get on these actual tables right here, get it all dialed in, get the chair already set up. From there, they're actually going to take it over to the precision table. Now this table right here is basically perfectly balanced. Balanced to the point where you could take a marble, set it right in the center, and that marble wouldn't travel any direction. What this table allows us to do is to take a finished chair, put it onto this table, check in the various things, the toe in, toe out, the degree of camber, the front casters, make sure they're all dialed in correctly. After everything is checked off on this table, you should be able to remove the chair from the table, push it, and it should track a straight line. That's how we know we've achieved what we need to do as far as quality control. If it doesn't achieve that straight line, we put it back up here and redo it again. That's how Colours makes that actual wheelchair for you.